Welcome to our channel Psychoways, the Art of Mind. Today we are going to explore what it means to be a trans woman or a trans man. A trans woman is someone who was assigned male at birth but lives as a woman. This means that while she might have been born with male physical characteristics, her true gender identity is female. For example, someone named Alex might have been assigned male at birth, but as she grows up, she realizes that she identifies as a woman. Alex would be known as a trans woman. To align her physical appearance with her gender identity, she might undergo hormone therapy or possibly surgeries, but not all trans women chose these options. A trans man is someone who was assigned male at birth, but sometimes it identifies and lives as a man. This means the while he might have been born with female physical characteristics. His true gender identity is made. For instance, Taylor might have been assigned female at birth, but as he grows older, he realizes that he identifies as a man. Taylor would be preferred to as a trans man. He may choose to undergo hormone therapy and surgeries to better assign his body with his gender identity. Though not all trans men opt for these treatments. Gender identity is how a person feels and identifies inside, while assigned sex in the label given at birth based on physical characteristics. Trans people might undergo social, medical, or both types of transition to align their outward appearance with their gender identity. Social transition includes changing names, pronouns, and clothing, while medical transition might involve hormone therapy or surgeries. It's important to use the names and pronouns that a trans person prefers. Support from friends, family, society greatly contribute to their well-being. Understanding and respecting trans women or trans men helps create a more inclusive and supportive environment for everyone. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for the content. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned with Psycho Ways, the Art of Mind.